Hello, my name is Mrs. Reyes, and I want to take this time to introduce myself to you or reintroduce myself to you for those of you that know me or for those of you that don't know me. I just want to introduce myself and what my class is going to be like this year. So, fun facts about me. I've been teaching for 13 years as of this year. 3 of it has been in middle school, 10 of it has been in high school. I have a BS in math education from Illinois State University. So yes, I'm a Midwest girl. I grew up in Chicago. I have 2 adorable little ones, Nico and Layani, which I'm pretty sure you guys have seen around campus. And if not, most likely you guys will sometime or someday. But you guys will see them. I'm also known as the math lady with the shoes, or the shoe lady, or the mean one. I'm all of those. Now, as far as the mean one, I just want to say that I'm actually not the mean. I'm actually strict. There's a big difference between the two, but when we get to class, you're going to see that I run a tight ship, so that when we do this stuff, my meanness might come off, oh, my strictness might come off as my meanness, which I will tell you it's not, I promise. Now, what calms me down is pretty much my lychee drinks. I pretty much love anything lychee, so whenever you guys see me sipping out of like my coffee mug, it's really my lychee drink that I have, or my lychee tea. So not all teachers drink coffee, so yeah, I'm one of them. Okay, but yeah, this is my family here. I just wanted to show you guys my family. That's all. All right. So for algebra 3, 4, and advanced math, for both classes, I don't care whichever class you guys have me for, you will need to have a TI-83 or a TI-84. I understand that Casios are way cheaper, but one solution for that is that you guys can actually get a TI-83 or a TI-84 that is used instead of a new one. New ones cost you around $100, give or take, depending on if you're buying it on sale. If it's on sale, you can be lucky and get it as cheap as $80. But again, I would say I highly recommend that you guys can buy used ones. Used ones, you guys can buy it on Craigslist, on Facebook Marketplace, on eBay, wherever it is that you guys want to buy used stuff. But I highly recommend that you actually physically have a graphing calculator, because when you guys take the SATs or ACTs, you guys actually are going to need one of those calculators, and it is also allowed. So as long as you get a TI-83 or a TI-84, you guys should be good. Now this year, while we are online, if you know how to use Desmos, you guys can use Desmos, or you guys can download a calculator emulator. It's called WabbitMU. Just go to WabbitMU, or just Google WabbitMU and then download some version of Texas Instrument, either TI-83 or TI-84. So those is what you guys can use in the meantime, but I highly suggest that you guys go get one. Now, as far as binders goes, for my Algebra 3-4, I highly suggest or highly recommend that you guys get a 3-inch binder, where you guys can print off all the notes and all the homework that we're working on and just put it in there for safekeeping. And also it's a good way for you guys to say, hey, Miss Reyes, this didn't go through, but I have an example. Here's this page. Please make sure that you grade this, and I'll have no problem going back and grading it for you. Okay, for my advanced math, I know I didn't write it on here, but you guys should go get a 1.5-inch binder, and that should be good enough for you for the semester. Okay, yes, for the semester, you guys should be fine. Let's see, homework. Homework is given on a daily basis unless told otherwise. Now, for this year, Canvas, since we're doing a lot of stuff on Canvas, homework is going to look a little different this year, and Canvas is not so math friendly, but I did find this one program. It's called Backpacks. It's spelled BAKPAX. I will explain what all this stuff is, but I would highly recommend this, since you guys have time right now. Go to Backpacks, and I want you guys to sort of get familiar with this math menu that they have here. And the reason why I'm saying that is because this math menu will actually allow you to enter in like the answers that you guys would have as if you're writing it down onto backpacks here, and it will help me grade stuff a little bit faster. So again, I'm going to go through more of this stuff, but if you guys go to backpacks, get yourself familiar with this math menu. That would be greatly appreciated. There is like backpacks for students. So if you guys just go through the little video tutorial that they have there, you guys should be fine. So again, it's backpacks. Again, this is a program that I'm going to learn how to use and hopefully use it successfully in our class, so it will be integrated very easily. So backpacks. All right, see what else. Tests and quizzes. You guys are going to have quizzes and tests. Quizzes will pretty much be on a weekly basis, and tests are going to be as needed. And then I just want to say this, that there are going to be no retakes in my class, and the reason being is because this is my class is the last class that you guys are going to have prior going to college math class, and 9 times out of 10 you're going to have a professor where they're not going to allow you to have any kind of retakes. So I want to try to implement that into my class as well. Obviously, this is going to be flexible for this year because we're doing this online. So for online, I understand, like, if you don't make it there on time for whatever reason, because the internet went down, whatever, I don't consider that as a retake. I consider that as you missed an opportunity because things that were out of your control. So that is like the only time that you will quote unquote retake my test. But other than that, I don't allow any kind of retakes. Okay. Let's see. If you guys have any questions, concerns, or you have any comments, you guys can email me. Here's my email address, which is at jreyes@aaechs.com. Again, thank you for taking the time to watch this video and allowing me to introduce myself to you. And we're gonna be good this year, I promise. We're gonna, as long as you guys try hard, we should be fine. And remember, you guys are what makes me proud to be EM. And I can't wait to see you guys in person. Bye-bye.